you sending an email?
No, I'm just working and sending email.
What do you look like?
That's Sebastian's
I'm
doing.
just doing the work, sending emails.
It's funny that that's all we do. If you don't know why you're doing it, you just see people all day hating little keys.
You have one more work?
We have one more work with this.
Okay, alright. Using the mouse now?
Yeah, we're using the mouse now.
Okay. Okay. Gonna send out the email soon?
You see how that
Yeah, I'm going to send the email soon. I just finished my work. So what's a bit new? Only 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Okay, now I'm going to send the email.
No.
Denise, you're not typing very fast. You better write faster. I want to go. Can you type
But
faster?
I have to send the email.
Did you finish writing it?
No, not yet.
Okay,
So what
hurry.
does your
Come on,
email
let's go.
say?